Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up. I was pretty excited when I came across these items. The first one is these portable garden bags. Now, I'm doing a container series this time around, so when I saw these, I was like, yes, I love this. So it's pretty big, as you can see. The measurements are 21.5 inches in length, okay? 12 inches deep, which means 12 inches high, and then 11.5 inches across this way, okay? So 21 inches long, 12 inches deep, and then 11 inches wide, all right? That's a pretty significant amount of space, all right? I can do carrots in here. I could do those beets that I want to grow. I could do those watermelon radishes in these. All right, so they're medium. It says medium size. Just add soil and plants, and that's basically it. Awesome. Okay, awesome that I came across these. So these will be a great addition to the garden for adding more vegetables, for adding more, pretty much. All right, now this next item I haven't even taken out of the box yet. I'm pretty excited about this one though. I was looking for something that, I was going to just do it without this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I was going to just go the DIY method and just use what I had. But then when I saw these, it was life-changing, okay? Life-changing. These are called Evalots, okay? Evalots watering spikes. Do you know what this is gonna do? This is a game changer, especially because I hand water my garden, and I don't have a drip irrigation system, and I don't want to spend the money to get one. So I've got a regular 2-liter bottle. I think you see where this is going. Instant drip irrigation. Is that not the greatest thing you've ever seen? Okay, these come in a 10-pack. This is a 10-pack. Fits most plastic water/soda bottles. Watering duration may vary, great for when you're away on vacation. Economical watering system that helps keep your plants watered when you're not home. Well, I want them watered even when I am home. So this is a 10-pack that I got, and I ordered 2 of them. So I am super excited about using these because I have quite a few 2-liter bottles that I was going to use for that purpose anyway. But then when I saw these and I came across these, I was like, wow, that is a game changer. So I will link these in the description. I did get these off of Amazon, and I am excited to use those. Lately we've been getting some rain, so I didn't bother to open it because I didn't need it just yet. But I think this next week, or over the weekend, probably we are going to have some pretty hot days. It was supposed to actually be in the 90s today, but it's really gloomy and humid. So it's not like a hot, sunny type 90-degree day. So there's still a lot of moisture in the air. I was just excited about those items and I just wanted to share them. That's all I had for you today. So until next time, the more you know, the more you grow.